Good morning. Today we will discuss about data science. In, we will cover what is data science, need of data science, use cases in data science, tool used in data science, and life cycle of a data science. So before starting the data science, we have to understand the what is data. Data is any set of characters that are gathered and translated for some purpose, usually analysis. There are three type of a data set: structured data, semi-structured data, and unstructured data. Structured data is a data which is stored in the row and column. Following are the characteristics of a structured data. Structured data is highly organized, clearly defined, easy to access, and easy to analyze. Following are the example of a structured data: name, age, gender, address, phone number, currency, date, and billing info. These are the field of a structured data set, and we can use data type for the storing the structured data set. Following are the sources of a structured data. It's just like SQL database, spreadsheet, sensor, medical devices, online form, point of sale system, web and server log. Semi-structured data type is a structured data type in which we store the data in a XML format and JSON format. It is easy to load and it is easy to transform, and it is combined with the other business data. Unstructured data is a data which is stored in the text file, web server side logs, sensor data, image format, video file, audio file, email, and social media file. Nowadays, structured data and unstructured data. Following is the difference between a structured data, unstructured data, and semi-structured data. Characteristics: structured data is a predefined model, easy to search and text weight and showing the what is happening with the data set. Unstructured data is not predefined data model, difficult to search. It is in the form of a text, PDF, images, video, and semi-structured is data is loosely organized meta-level structure that can contain unstructured data, HTML, XML, and JSON. Structured data resides in relational databases and data warehouses stored in row and column. Unstructured data stored in data warehouse like lake stored in various forms. Re- uh, Semi-structured data stored relational database tag-based format and stored in abstract and figures. Following are the example of a structured, unstructured, and semi-structured data: dates, phone number, social security number, customer name, and transactional info is considered as a structured data. Unstructured data is document, email, message conversations, transcripts, image files, and open-end survey answers. Semi-structured data is a server log, tweet organized by the hash, email, sorting by the folder, inbox, sent, and draft. Nowadays, maximum data is used as a unstructured data. Unstructured data will be account more than 80% of the data collected by the organization. Now, what is a data science? Data science is a process of extracting knowledge and insight from data using scientific method. Generally, data science contains two characteristics. First one is a data and second one is a science. Data can be JSON, log, email, PNG, and video file. And scientific method, with the help of a scientific method, what we do, we get the insight of the data and make it is useful for decision making. What is the need of a data science? As we know, there is a revolution of a technology. Due to revolution of a technology, there is a rate of data flow, and that data is in an inside unstructured data, and there is a problem to storage data, and we are not able to predictive analysis, and there is a lack of a scientific analysis. So what data science do? Data science help for decision making, predictions, and pattern discovery. As earlier day, the data was in the structure format. So what we do, we do store that data in a data warehouses, and we take report with the help of a business intelligence tool and predetermined reports only. But nowadays, what we have a structured data, unstructured data, and we store that data in a Hadoop, and we take insight from data with the help of a data science algorithm and scientific discovery. What is the use of a data science? As we know, data science is used in a different fields in different manners. So data science provide us following benefit: recommend the right product to right customer to enhance the business. With the help of a data science, what we do, we provide the decide the right product to the right customer with the help of his previous searching history to the customers. So with the help of this concept, recommended high product to high customer, right customer to enhance the business. Second one is predicting the characteristics of a LTV customer and help the customer segmentations. Third one is I built intelligence and ability to machines. Fourth one is predicting fraudulent transactions beforehand. Last one is a perform sentiment analysis to predict the outcome of elections. Following are the use cases of a data science we can use in a different fields or different domain. First one is a travel. We can use data science in travel. With the help of a data science, what we can use dynamic pricing and predict flight delay. Uber and Ola uses data science for dynamic pricing. Second one is we can use data science for marketing. With the help of a marketing, with the help of a data science, what we can do, we can use increase cross-selling and upselling, predicting lifetime value for the customer. Third one is we can use data science for healthcare. In healthcare, we use data science for disease predictions and medical effectiveness. Fourth one is a data science. We use data science for in social media for digital marketing and sentiment analysis. Fifth one is we can use data science for sales. With the help of a data science, what we can do, we can increase the sale using discount offering and demand forecasting. What kind of a demand uh, in increase in particular sector or particular area. Sixth one is a self-driving car is the example of a data science. Pilotless aircraft and drone are the example of a data science. Seventh one is a claim prediction and fraud risk reduction in credit and insurance company. So we use the data science in different field for different manner. Tool used in data science, we use different kind of a platform for executing the data science like Apache Spark and Hadoop. They are the platform to storing that large scale data. Tool we used for representing the developing the data science project: Tableau, Jupyter, RStudio and QuickPay. Framework we use Spark, TensorFlow, sklearn's library. Language to use for data science is Python. Primarily we use Python, R, Java and Scala. Format, Pragbits and Panda library we use. A data science life cycle contains 6 phases. So we will discuss the data science life cycle, how data science project will work. First one is a business requirement, data acquisition, data processing, data exploration, modeling and deployments. Business requirement. First of all, what we have to do, we have to understand the business, understand the business problem, identify the central objective, what is the object of a business, and identify the variable we need to predict. After that, what we do, we predict data, we acquire the data. What is data acquisition? What data do I need for my project? What are the data sources? What are the data sources? It can be CSV file, it can be SQL data, it can be XML format, or it can be JSON format. What is the most efficient way to store and access data all for it? Data processing is a very important process of a data science life cycle. In this, what we do, we transform the data in desired format. For example, we have a data in the CSV format. So what we do, we convert the data into data frame or table. After that, what we do, we clean the data. In data cleaning, what we use, we identify the missing value, corrupted data, remove unnecessary fields from the data. Unnecessary fields mean which fields are not useful for our data projects. So we remove those fields from data set. Fourth step is a data exploration. In data exploration, what we do, we understand the pattern of the data, what the data, uh, we visualize the data using histogram and bar plots, and check the data, what is the useful pattern of a data. Read in this we use retrieve useful insights and form hypothesis of every fields and every column. Data modeling. In data modeling, what we determine optimal data features for machine learning model and specify what kind of a model we can use in the data science product. Create a model that predict the target of a more accurately. In this phase, what we do, we use the different models and check that which model is working accurately. After that, what we do, we implement that model in the training data set, and after that we can use the data set on the test model, evaluate the test and efficiency of that model on the different data sets. What we do, we evaluate the test and efficiency of the model. Common tool for model planning is SQL analysis services R and SSXS we use in the modeling phase. So last module is a deployment module. In deployment module, what we recheck the deployment environment and dependency issue. After testing the model, what we do, we check the deployment environment for dependency issue, deploy the model in pre-production and test the environment. If it work properly, then we implement the model. After implementing the model, what we do, we monitor the performance of the model. In data science, machine learning is also a very useful tool. What is a machine learning? Machine learning is the most basic practice of using algorithm to parse data, learn from it, and make determinations or predictions about the something in the world. So there are three type of a machine learning we use in a data science. First one is a supervised learning, second one is unsupervised learning, third one is a reinforcement learning. So supervised learning is in this learning technique, we have a label data. With the help of a label data, what we do, we train the machine. After training the machine, we get the result on the basis of that labels. Type of a problem we can use in the uh, supervised learning. Classification and regression is the example of a supervised learning. Unsupervised learning, what we do, we categorize the data, raw data with no label, no training, no outputs. We use this data set and we categorize the data on the basis of their properties and features. What skill set we need for data science? Client requirement. We divide the data skill set in a three: domain knowledge, machine learning, data, and computer science. In domain knowledge, what we need client requirement, highlight important criteria, easier explorations, and technical concept. In mathematical and statistical aptitude, we cover statistical knowledge, mathematics, design methods, tuning and fitting the model, and in computer science, what we use programming language like Python, R, and the other language, and we use different kind of a model like classification and regression model. So for data engineer, what we need some knowledge of SQL and Hadoop, data governance, data pre-processing, data validations, and data infrastructures. So these are the skill set need for data science. Thank you.